You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a bit of a confusing word of French origin. All French words are always confusing, aren't they? If you want to learn more French and more English vocabulary, stay tuned. The French pronunciation for reference is as debutante, okay? So that explains the English pronunciation. Debutante. Debut, as in debut, okay? Debutante. Debutante. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.